Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to leave a note on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then get into your DMs by tapping at that DMs icon, and right here towards the top of the screen you can find this leave a note kind of button, and you can easily write down a note here simply by tapping at that plus sign. You can write here some text. I'll just type in test note. You can use up to 60 characters at your note, and then you can select whom you want to share that note with. You can check mark followers you follow back, or you can share it just with your close friends. And once you hit on share, other accounts can see your note for 24 hours and reply with a message. Also, keep in mind that they wouldn't be notified when you share. So I can just tap at share, and as you can see, that's how that note displays at your DMs. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.